Miss Stacy OT here, and today I'm going to answer a question about skincare. Not a normal topic when we think of therapy or overall wellness, but our skin really does affect how we think about ourselves and sometimes our whole outlook. Not to mention, some people have some skin conditions like acne or eczema that can really be uncomfortable. So we're going to address that today with one of the unsung heroes of the skincare world, toner. Now, I've had a lot of people who have been using moisturizers and cleansers their whole lives ask, what is toner and why do I need it? Well, toner is most helpful for those that have acne-prone skin, or even those of us who just need a little extra cleaning up after makeup or sunscreen. It's another layer of cleaning. It is used after your cleanser, and it's very helpful in shrinking down pores so that you don't get goop in all those little crevices in your skin, even between cells. Another thing it does is that it restores the pH balance. Even the most gentle cleansers do change your pH balance, and your skin is supposed to be slightly acidic. So the toner replenishes that and gets it back on the balance. And of course, most of us are washing our face with cleanser and tap water. Tap water contains chlorine and other minerals, and the toner will help remove those that can be left behind. Also especially helpful after swimming when you may have been in extra chlorinated water. Another thing that toner does is it actually helps bind moisture to your skin. So in that way, it kind of acts like a moisturizer. So it's not just for those with acne-prone skin, but those of us who are concerned about wrinkles might want to be using toner as well. It can even be used on the go between face washes as a way to clean off your face. And if you use a toner that contains alpha hydroxy acids, it can also prevent ingrown hairs. So many benefits of using toner. My favorite toners are these Sabella line toners because they spray on. You don't need to take a cotton pad and wipe. So this reduces any abrasion that you might cause from wiping, and it's just super convenient. So not a sponsor, but I'm totally in love. This one's actually my daughter's, the charcoal and flower. She does have some problems with acne. She's 13 years old. And so this gives a whole nother level of cleaning for her, and her skin's been great. I tend to get a little bit of rosacea. I tend to have pinker coloring because I have sensitive skin and it gets irritated. So I like this honey and rose, and that is for people who need some sort of soothing on their skin. So it goes the extra line. Look at that, for young and for old, it's fantastic. So talk with your skincare rep and see if toner is right for you, because it probably is, especially in these summer months when we're all applying more sunscreen and going swimming more often in our lakes and pools. So thank you, be well, and go out there and continue to enhance lives. If you have a question or comment about something you saw in today's video, I'd love to hear from you. Just text the word enhance to 21,000 and you can reach out to me directly.